Welcome back to Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of videos, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X-T4. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So a very neat feature of the X-T4 is the movie optimized controls. So it will allow you to change the shutter speed, ISO, and different settings by using the touchscreen. So with that, when you come from the still mode to the movie mode, these dials won't affect your settings. So let's say in photos you were shooting at 1/8,000 of a second, but in video you don't want to shoot at 1000, you want to shoot probably at 1/60th or 1/48. So let's take a look on how we set that up. So first we're going to put it to the movie mode, and then we're going to go into the menus, and then on the second page we have the movie optimized control. We just turn it on like this. So now the shutter speed, the aperture ring, and the ISO dial are disabled. So if I press onto the screen, now I can change my different settings. So if I want to change the shutter speed to 1/48, for example, this is good. I want to change the aperture to 2.8, for example, and then so on. And then if we go to the still mode now, you'll see that I'm back at 1/8000 of a second, f2, ISO 250. And then going back to the movie mode, I have my settings right here, the way I like them, and then I left them before. So this is how you can switch from stills to movie mode while retaining all your settings for each mode.